Hope you're well this Sunday morning. The sun's shining a little bit out here this morning, so that's great. It's nice to see a little bit of blue sky. Hope you can join us, by the way, or those that are joining us, just to say a big hello to you. We're going to do a little meditation this morning. The time is going to be roughly about, 15 minutes, is it?
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, roughly 15 minutes. We're going to kind of run over the time of 11:11, which is an amazing number sequence. Many have been getting that recently or seeing it. This is all about really raising the vibration this morning. We're talking about now going up to the Ascension date of the 21st of December. So we'll try and continue to do meditations on a more frequent basis and try and build up that wonderful energy. So we're hoping that you will join us, and we will continue the meditation from now. So I'm going to let Anne take over, so please enjoy. And we will be, or should I say, we are kind of recording this, so it will be available if you've missed it. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Angie's here joining us.
Oh, good morning, Angie. Okay, lovely. Well, here we go then, folks. I'm going to hand you over now to Anne. Okay.
Right, good morning everyone. I hope you're feeling well, and I hope by the time you finish the meditation you're going to be feeling even better. Alright, so let's begin. Making yourselves as comfortable as you possibly can in your chair or wherever you may be. And just taking all your awareness to your breath right now. So just allow the breath to flow gently into the body. And allow the breath to gently leave. And when you're ready, closing your eyes. And just allow your breath to begin to deepen. Using the out breath as a means of letting go. Releasing any attachments to this day, to the past, letting go of the future, and bringing all your awareness into the here and the now. And bring all your awareness into the heart space too. That energy center of love, compassion, kindness, empathy, caring, and our connection to the oneness. Give yourself permission to relax fully, mind, body, and soul. If you feel that you're holding any tension, maybe in the forehead, the jaw, the neck, the shoulders, then with your next out breath, just mindfully begin to allow that tension to dissolve. Allow the face to soften. Allow the shoulders to drop away from the ears. And just breathe. Nice, gentle, deep breaths. And using your imagination or intention now, find yourself sat amongst the stars in the midst of the universe, feeling completely calm and relaxed, safe and secure. And now imagine that all those connected here are also amongst the stars, and that we form a circle hand in hand around our beautiful planet Earth. breathing gently and slowly, aware of the absolute stillness of the oneness, that existence of connection with every living being, the connection with the whole of the cosmos, suspended in the womb of the universe. And just breathe. Breathe in pure existence, feeling the sensations of the breath in the body. And now taking your attention to Gaia in her full glory, the blue planet, our physical home. And you can make out the continents, you can make out the islands, you can see the mountain ranges, the blues of the oceans, the seas, the greens of the forests, the white caps of the poles, the browns of the deserts. You can feel the serenity and the strength, the power of the planet. You can feel the nurturing from the planet, that who gave you life, who sustains you, who nurtures you. We call upon all divine beings of pure white light to radiate that healing light, that vibration of pure love through each and every one of us, clearing all negative and imbalanced energies on all levels, to align us with the divine consciousness, to raise our higher selves to the highest divine expression possible at this time, and to protect us from any lower frequency energies that are not for our highest good. Breathe in that pure, white, healing light. Breathe in that love. Allow them to fill the whole of your body. Allow them to vibrate within every single cell, clearing, cleansing, dissolving any karmic cords. Allow the light to extend out into your etheric body, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Any energies gathered from others, from situations, attachments, and give permission for them to be released. I release. I release. I release. Embrace that light into your heart center. And feel your heart center open, brimming with love. Love for all and love for self. And expand that light to encompass the earth through all her many layers, right down to her very core. Feel that light washing in waves through all those areas of darkness where wars are being fought, where people and animals fear for their safety. where material greed is rife, where there are areas of poverty, where selfishness prevails, areas where power has been corrupted, areas where humanity lives in a state of fear. Let that light wash through and cleanse those areas where love is missing, areas that hold unforgiveness, hatred, jealousy, areas lacking compassion and empathy, where truth is missing. Areas that are repressed, that cannot speak their truth. Areas bound with no freedom of speech. Areas held back, subdued, imprisoned. Areas that are close-minded. Areas that are blinkered, that are dismissive, that lack spirituality. Keep breathing. Keep sending that light. Maintain your focus. The time is now 11:11, and we have reached the gateway to higher consciousness. A moment in time where the divine beings of light take our intentions to assist their manifestation on earth. So let's keep those intentions going. Let them nestle into your heart. Let them take root and begin to grow. Let the energy of those intentions imbue the whole of the earth and all living beings. Let's radiate that love out to the whole of the universe. Maintaining your awareness and sending that light coursing through the whole of the planet, dissolving the mirrors that constantly reflect fear back to humanity, and focus that healing light, filled with love, compassion. Feel it healing the areas of discontent, healing the areas of disharmony, healing the areas with freedom of speech, freedom of reprisals, healing our earth with the promise of beautiful things to come, with faith, hope, and trust. A new earth of harmony, raising the vibrational frequencies so that the darkness can no longer prevail, and we can move into a new reality where unity in love is the way forward, where we may serve one another selflessly, unconditionally, and from the true heart space. Bathe in this light, feeling the warmth of the oneness as it cocoons you, nourishing, healing, feeling safe and secure. And allow that light to be completely absorbed within every single cell. And just breathe. it is nearly time to return. So have a sense of the earth growing larger now, rising up to meet you. And step onto the earth feeling grounded, refreshed and renewed. And very slowly, gradually begin to bring your consciousness back into the room. Just leaving your eyes closed for a few moments more and taking your physical hands now and rubbing them together to create some warmth, some heat. And once your hands are beautifully warm, just placing the palms over each eye, just allowing the healing energies from the Lao Gong points to penetrate deep within the mind. And take in a long, slow, gentle, deep breath. Releasing the breath when you're ready. And again, taking in that long, slow, deep breath. And as you exhale, just allow your hands now to gently float back down onto your lap. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Okay, so we'd just like to say a big thank you to everybody who's joined us. We hope you found that beneficial. We certainly know that what we're sending out is having a huge difference. Please don't feel that you are just one single person. We are united, we are together. But even when you are there on your own, please don't think you can't make a difference, because you can. So keep sending that love out, keep sending that beautiful vibration of energy out into the world, and together we can make a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, folks.
See you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye now.
Bye.